I've got a bowl of cold water and my ripped off parsley and mint here. This is how we clean herbs in the business. I'm just going to submerge these babies in some cold water and give them a gentle swirl. Oh, that mint smells so good. Smells so good. And then I'm just going to leave it. I'm not going to swirl it anymore. And I'm going to grab my clean dish towel, perfectly clean. Date sugar, Cindy. Yes, yes, that would be beautiful. Definitely, instead of the coconut sugar. So I'm not going to agitate this anymore because what is happening is all the little particles of dirt and sand and grit are sifting down to the bottom of the bowl with the help of gravity and the water. So this is ready for me to lift from the top and place onto my clean dish towel. Now, what's fun about this method is that it's really satisfying because you can see the little clumps of dirt and sand and grit in the bottom of your bowl at the end that you would have been eating. So I find that there's like a lot. There's quite a lot of little black speckles and what looks to be a little bug. So it's good. It's very good.